Guys, sad news. The Help to Buy scheme is coming to an end. If you were planning to take advantage of this scheme or are halfway through the process of getting your first home with Help to Buy, here's what you need to know. If you don't already know, Help to Buy is an equity loan for first-time buyers where you pay a deposit of as little as 5% and the government loans you 20% of the property's purchase price, or 40% if you're in London. Your property must be eligible for the Help to Buy scheme, which typically only applies to new builds. Check out this guide here for more information on the scheme, or stay tuned for your Help to Buy FAQs. To understand what Help to Buy ending means, you'll need to know 3 dates. The first date is that Help to Buy will officially end on the 31st of March 2023. The second date is the 31st of October 2022, which is the cut-off for new applications for a Help to Buy equity loan. This means you'll need to have found or at least reserved your property, if it's a new build under construction, on or before that date to then make the application. If under construction, your property must be ready to live in by the 31st of December 2022. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can just decide based on what you're happy to live with. The property must comply with what's called a practical completion, which means the home is fully built and has received a new home warranty. And finally, bringing us full circle, you must have legally completed the purchase on your new home by the 31st of March 2023. This means that you've done all of your paperwork, paid what you need to pay, and are expecting to get your keys at the very latest by 6 p.m. on that day. It's very important to note that if you don't have everything squared away by this date, you will not be eligible for Help to Buy. So make sure you get everything sorted well in advance to ensure that all your hard work and house hunting isn't for nothing. The good news is, if you can't complete in time or if there is a delay in getting your home ready from your builder's side of things, your home builder must refund your reservation fee in full. And if you've exchanged contracts, they must return your deposit too. You may still have to pay fees for any legal or financial advice you've received during the process. Click this link here to check out our full guide on Help to Buy mortgages. Or if you want to take advantage of a low deposit scheme but can't meet the Help to Buy timeline, check out our video guide on 5% mortgage schemes. Give us some love below if you enjoyed this video, or subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.